everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Christmas taco. So I hope you guys have fun with this and follow along. Now to start off with our Christmas taco, we're going to begin over here. And I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve up and down like this for the shell. Now starting here, I'm going to curl this around. I'm going to bring it straight across and right up to here. Next, right here, I'm going to add some bumpy little lines for the meat of the taco. Now, right here, I want to add the Santa hat. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to come down, and then it's going to come back to the shell right here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes up with another little curved line here, kind of like a little Y. Right here, we're going to draw a little line that goes up. It's going to come down, and then it's going to come right back to here. Then we'll just add a big circle shape right here for the end of the hat. Starting here, I'm going to add a couple little bumps for more meat on this side. Now, starting in here, I'm going to add a few little circle shapes around here. So I'm going to put like a half one there. I'm going to put a full circle shape up here. And I'll put another partial circle right there. And we'll put another circle down here too. So I want this to kind of look like mistletoe kind of sticking out of here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some lines that go up and down with some curves. Then I'm going to go down and up like this. And I just want to kind of fill this taco up with some of these different little mistletoe leaves. So I'm just going to add these all around here. Put another one up here. And then I'll add a few more little circles in some of these spots just to kind of make it filled up a little bit. Kind of add some more little circles in here. Then we'll add a little line down each one of these leaves. And I'll put a little V on each one. Put two V's on each one just to make it look a little more realistic. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a circle shape for the eye and another circle shape here for the eye. I'm going to add two black dots for the pupils. Make a little line across. And then a really big smiley face on here. Then we'll add a tongue. And I'm just going to color in this part of the mouth really fast. Now then, on here I want to add a little candy cane sticking out. So we'll start right up here. I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to curve around like a hook shape. It's going to go over. I'm going to go up and back down like this. Then we'll just add some little curved lines onto here. Put another one right here. Then finally, I'm just going to add some little black dots onto our Christmas taco. Just for a little bit of detail on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Christmas taco. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.